Today we have a really cool Jaguar XJS Convertible. It is in Flamenco Red and is one of 56 produced with a manual transmission for the United States. It's a British elegance. It's a lot of bang for your buck. It is wind in the hair comfort with seating for what they say is for, but golf clubs in the rear as well as one set in the boot. This is a 4-liter straight six, and as you can see, it's in exceptional condition. Close the door. Well, there's your cold start from its straight six. As you can see, it's got all of the comforts of home. A lot of elegance for the money. It has been long-term collector owned for many, many years. Thank you. See, there's a New Yorker who could keep their license. Electric mirrors, nice stereo, air conditioning, climate control, heating. We should probably try some of this stuff. Cruise control, let's see. We don't have the code for the radio, so we can't really tell you how that works, but we'll tell you later. Look at the look. See the look on my face? Yeah.
Can I see it again?
Yeah, no. We've just got it operating temperatures 31,170 miles from new. And it's excellent in every way, shape, and form. I can say the Jag is elegant, nimble for its size, even sprightly. We discussed sprightly. So it's very, very, very cool, very neat. The air conditioning works exceptionally well. The heating system works exceptionally well. The gearbox and clutch are very easy to use. It is a wonderful Grand Tourer and has its sporting edge because of the manual gearbox. And it's special, having been one of only 56 produced for the States. It's got a very nice horn. It is exceptionally easy to use, has lovely power steering, power brakes, has a nice little sound to it. It's not exactly a roar or a growl, but when you get on it, it goes quite well. We're going to take it up here through the twisties and jettison Jason for flybys. I can't say I've had many of these with the V12 engine in it, which is cumbersome, hard to work on, antiquated, and has scarred me on occasion working on them. So I actually prefer the straight six. It's got plenty of power, enthusiasm when you need it, by the way of the throttle. I think it's as comfortable around town as it would be going across the country. The car itself has only the slightest wear. I think you'll like seeing it from the outside in a couple of moments as well. A quick left and a quick right and flybys it shall be. Nice Land Rover, brand new, window sticker on the side, Defender. Looks like a refrigerator in white. I'm sure they're gonna love it though. Get out of the car, please. Well, I hope you enjoyed the flybys. As Jason has said, Our little cat here is purring away. She's doing exactly what she's supposed to. We're going to hit the FFR road. Show you a bit of its cruising capability, a little bit of its power. The infamous FFR road. Second gear, third, fourth, fifth, which is definitely cruising with the best of them. Let's go down to third. If you get on it, you'll see she's no slouch. And it's got excellent brakes with ABS. 2 ashtrays that no one will need any longer because that is part of the past. A cigar lighter, which you're also not going to use. All the amenities of home in British comfort and convenience, and it's quite the ride for the money, in my opinion. So really appreciate you guys and gals watching, and I look forward to any questions you may have. Thanks. Thanks, Jason.
Thank you, Tom. Thanks to everybody out there.